So I think, as everybody knows, biosimilars are rapidly evolving and changing, and finally now we're starting to get a significant number of FDA approvals. Perhaps the most important one recently is the approval of biosimilar Rituxan, because this is now probably for the first time going to be a therapeutic monoclonal antibody that has a broad audience, a broad impact. As you consider how this emerges onto the market, we don't yet precisely know the launch date, but we do know the approved indications for the biosimilar. It's important to understand that this will not compete with the subcutaneous formulation of Rituxan, because that's not how the biosimilar pathway works. And so I think it'll be very interesting to see when it enters the market how it competes with, if you will, originator Rituxan, and then how the subcutaneous form plays in the spaces where there's overlap. So we're eagerly awaiting the launch of the biosimilar Rituxan. And then I think we'll be able to, just like other biosimilars, watch how the market reacts and how the patients and providers react.